go. What are you doing, Joe?
Making straight lines. Flat surfaces. Making this thing beautiful.
It's got nice curves, huh?
She does have nice curves. You can just feel it.
We like all the curves in the right places, though, but the other part's got to be straight.
Right. Yeah, I like doing these rounded edges like this, especially when they're real big. It's nice.
Takes a little bit of patience, huh?
Yeah. Yeah, she's going to be, this will probably be one of the cleanest safes, other than that cannonball a while back.
Yeah.
It's just, it's turned out a lot cleaner than I expected, especially with all the heading.
You like doing it by hand, or do you prefer the power tool method?
I mean, I feel better if I can do it by hand, just blocking it out. I know I'm reaching out, and I know it's a flatter surface. So,
Right.
yeah, I don't mind using the DA. I want to make sure this is right.
Yeah, it's got to be straight.
Yeah, and it's a whole lot of safe too. So one wave is going to be a whole lot.
Right. Takes time, layer by layer.
Yeah, and it's not burning through as bad as I had in the past. I think I laid it on pretty thick.
Helps with smoothing things out.